National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has storm warning for northwestern Chisago County, northern Isanti County, southern Kennebec County, southeastern Mille Lacs County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ogilvie, or 19 miles northwest of Cambridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Source: weather station reported. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton Airport, Princeton, Moss, Elbow, Ogilvie, Lewis Lake, Mora, Brunswick, Cambridge Airport, Cambridge, Staunchfield, Granby, Grafton, Harris, Rush City, and Wild River State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm has produced damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Chisago, Isanti, and Mille Lacs.